Here's a project that didn't just happen overnight. First came a call for a roof repair, and then a flat roof replacement, and then the main roof with copper flashing and gutter protection, and then later, new fiber cement siding. And honestly, these kinds of projects are my favorite. Not because they're flashy or huge, but more because they represent our purpose here at Joyland: expertise and trust. This homeowner hired Joyland multiple times over a number of years to update their home. So I'll walk you through a few of the before and after pictures here and show you kind of how this project evolved from a simple repair call into a full exterior transformation of their home. So after the repair then, we went and did a full roof replacement. You can see here, the roof is definitely showing signs of age with streaks and darkness on the shingles, the ridge vent coming loose. And so we replaced the roof with a new GAF Slateline shingle, which is a lifetime shingle that's kind of supposed to mimic slate. Obviously it doesn't look exactly like that, but it is a really great long-term product. A couple of years later, we came back to measure up the siding. They were having issues. As you can see here, the siding is really buckling here, and I think that's due to darkness. So they painted the vinyl siding with a dark paint color. That absorbs a lot of heat in the summer, and because it's a plastic product, it's gonna buckle like this, especially if it's in direct sunlight every day. So a lot of problems with their vinyl sidings here, also up along the ridge line and so forth, coming loose. We came in and gave them a quote for a James Hardie product, which is a fiber cement siding. It doesn't buckle, it doesn't decay, it doesn't wear out like this over time, and they like that. So we came in, tore all the old siding off, and you can see here, kind of halfway through the project, we did end up having to replace a lot of the plywood behind the old siding because it was rotten. And then after that, we put in a house wrap product from James Hardie to kind of protect that plywood. And then we had the final product. So here you get to see the new roof, the slate line shingles and what that looks like, and then also James Hardie siding that goes along with that. So a really nice house, kind of a full exterior project from start to finish. 5-star reviews are awesome, but it's not actually the best compliment for us. That is when a homeowner calls us back for more work, again and again and again. That tells me our mission of being quick, clear, and competent came through in our work, one thing at a time as it was needed. Hopefully the next round might be new windows and doors for them. If your home is at the point where one repair is starting to feel more like a part of a bigger exterior plan, Joyland can help you figure out what should be done first, what can wait, and how much all of that'll cost.